Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2006 to 2012 Ram 3500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturers' safety precautions and specifications. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Uninstall the front bumper. Clear any coolant lines or electrical wires from the area. Unbolt the core support from the mount, lift the core support, and remove the bushing. Step 3. Cut the mount along its base, where it attaches to the frame rail. Do not cut the frame rail itself. Step 4. At the points where the mount contacted the frame rail, grind the frame to bare metal. Spray this area with weld-through primer. Step 5. Paint the top and bottom of the mount where the bushing and bolt contacted. Do this prior to installation. Step 6. Use the factory part silhouette to align the replacement mount. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place, then weld all contact points between the mount and frame rail. Step 7. Paint the rest of the mount and the work area with rust protectant. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 8. Reinstall or replace the bushing, and lower the core support onto the bushing. Reinstall the core support mount bolt, then reinstall the front bumper.